this is my project describing fourths. In order to equally divide my line segment into 4 equal parts, I need to first use my endpoints to find my midpoint. As you can see, my two endpoints are the orange dots, which are 3, 4, and 3, 2. In order to find my midpoint, I need to use the midpoint formula, which is y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and x1 plus x2 divided by 2. After solving, I got my x-axis, which was 0, and my y-axis, which is 3, making my midpoint 0, 3. Then, in order to divide my line segment into 4 equal parts, I need to use my endpoints and my midpoint to find each segment of the line. In order to do that, I first solved for the negative side of my line using my endpoint -3, 4 and my midpoint 0, 3. After plugging it into the midpoint formula, I got the midpoint for that part of the line segment, which was -1.5 and 3.5. The next thing I did was solve for the positive side of my line segment. For that part, I used the endpoint 0, 3 and the endpoint 3, 2. After solving using the midpoint formula, I got the midpoint for that part of the line segment, which is 1.5 and 2.5. And as you can see here, on my line, it's equally divided into fourths.